All right, guys, here we go. It's round, it's plastic, it's green, and it comes in 2 pieces.
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
I know, boys. Get out of the way. Look, the recession has affected us all, including at the collection plate in churches.
Really?
People are not donating as much, and they're taking more out.
When was the last time you saw
You
a
got any money?
collection
Come on.
plate, pal?
You got any money? Come on.
Yeah,
Look at you. Wow. It's a good week here. Now, what happens is this gets passed, and some people take it the other way.
What kind of church do you go to?
Well, that is a security cover for your collection plate, so it gets to the back of the house.
You think so, huh? I don't think so.
I'll
Not
take
at
the
all.
money.
No. You know what this is, Roger? You've always told us about the merits of composting,
I
right?
just want my money back.
Hey.
We all want our money back.
Anyway, so composting, it's great. But you know, for the guys who live in a suburb, they got a big yard. What do you do if you live in a city in a little tiny apartment? Then what?
You throw your banana peels right there?
No, this is an apartment dwelling compost. And what's the key to compost? Greens and browns. So you put in a little bit of kale, you put a little bit of caviar eggs. You know.
Caviar eggs?
Browns, you know. You spin it up,
Let
turn it.
Let it steep.
Just let it sit there and get all nasty, and then a week later.
That fast?
Well, 2 weeks. I don't know.
I love that you're thinking green, and this is the greenest tool I've ever had. It's
is?
a manual string trimmer.
What?
Yep. You just slide the string in, and then you put the top back on it.
Oh, so no gas.
No gas. I have one in every truck.
Yeah.
Just flip it over.
Oh, look at
There it
that.
goes.
That's great.
And if you have to do edging,
Low carbon footprint.
look at that.
Nice.
You guys are all wrong. As usual, you're all wrong. You know, in the Christmas, you always want to have your extension cords outside, you plug all your lights in, but you always worry about those ends of the cords getting wet. They could short out.
Yeah.
So what do? You put them in here.
Oh, you put them in there.
Plug them in.
Look at that.
You cover them over. They don't get wet. And it's green.
And you wouldn't even notice that outside.
No, it's green. It matches the snow.